Hello geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. I hope you're well. Today I am actually replacing a geocache. Very short video this one. I've had to disable one of my geocaches because the cache itself has gone missing. So I'm trying something a little bit different. This is a magnetic high voltage sign and I'm going to use this to hide the cache itself. I've got a baggie here with a log inside it, a fresh log. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape that onto there upside down so that water can't get in to soil the log, and then this effectively will become the cache container. And then I'm going to put that onto one of those electric boxes that you see in the street, exchange boxes, those kind of things. Do you know, I can't think of the name of them off the top of my head. Anyway, let's just get that stuck on. I'm just going to use a bit of duct tape. Now that should be enough to do it. I am just going to write a little note on here. So I've just wrote a little note on there saying that this is a geocaching game piece, please do not remove. Let's just go and check this out on the fridge, make sure it actually stays on there flat. There is a little bit of a give at the bottom there, but that's to be expected, I guess. But I don't think anybody else would ever notice that or think there was something weird about it. I have repositioned that a little bit. I have repositioned it just a little bit higher. It's still accessible. You can squeeze the log out from there. And then I've just backed it up with a couple of other bits of tape. On the fridge, it does sit that bit better and is a bit more sealed at the bottom. Quite happy with that. Let's go and put it in situ. So here you've got this wonderful collection of junction boxes. This is the seat that the cache was originally on, and I just thought if I was to leave that cache on there, well, it's in plain sight, isn't it? There we go, can you see it? Hidden in plain sight. Don't know whether I like it there yet. I think one of the things I wasn't happy about with this was it looks so new that it stands out, so I've just done this on the floor with it. Just to kind of scuff it up a little bit. I think you can see that. Just so it doesn't look quite as new and standouty. Alright, so that's where I've decided to hide that one. Just a short video this one. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, you know what to do. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, all that kind of stuff. Only if you're enjoying what I'm doing though. Alright, you take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Cheerio.